11 crazy moons every person should know. Hey, Mr. Banana, they asked us, we did it. Guys, we are happy to present for you yet another video about different curious moons from all over the universe. Buckle up and enjoy. 11. The Death Star Moon. That's no moon, but it is. One of Saturn's moon is really shaped like the Death Star from Star Wars. The surface of one of Saturn's moon is not smooth, which is the evidence of a violent time in the moon's formation. Its surface was bombarded by space debris left over from the formation of our solar system. The biggest crater is the 90-mile-wide Herschel Crater, which covers nearly 1/3 of its almost 250-mile-wide diameter. The crater formed in an impact that nearly shattered the little world. Herschel gives Mimas a distinctive look that prompts an oft-repeated joke. 10. Yin and Yang Moon. One half is black, the other is shining white. A ridge runs halfway around Iapetus's equator, giving it the appearance of a walnut shell. Iapetus's low density implies that it is about 80% ice to only 20% rock. So the white part of the moon is most likely snowy or icy surface. Dark reddish dust in Iapetus's orbital path is swept up and lands on the leading face of the moon. The dark areas absorb energy and become warmer, while the uncontaminated areas remain cooler. 9. Charon. Charon is about 750 miles across, about half the diameter of Pluto. Its small size and close distance to Pluto made it hard at first to identify Charon as a moon. Charon is now emerging as its own world. Life forms were found there. Just kidding, but there could be. New Horizon photos revealed it to have a violent history reflected in canyons, mountain ranges, and fractured regions. It may even once have had an underground water system that turned into ice and cracked the surface wide open. Where there's ice, there's likely water, and maybe life. 8. Enceladus. Back in 2015, astronomers announced that a massive saltwater ocean was found hidden beneath the icy surface of Saturn's moon Enceladus. Could this watery world have just the right conditions to host life? They were very optimistic about that. Although the moon is only 314 miles in diameter, way smaller than our moon, it has watery plumes emanating from its south pole. Enceladus's subsurface ocean is a habitable place. The big question is if it is inhabited. Large organic molecules are a necessary precursor for life, so this is encouraging. We should try to go back to Enceladus as soon as we can. It's waiting for us. It's not going anywhere. And think of all that microbial poo that could be spewed out into space and analyzed today. 7. Pluto's small moons. They are glorious cosmic weirdos. New Horizons was able to observe and study the 4 moons, Nix, Hydra, Styx, and Kerberos. Interesting fact, they spin like insane tops. This is unlike any other moon in our solar system. It never keeps one face toward the planet all the time like our moon does. Hydra spins the fastest, with 89 rotations in one lap around Pluto. Like those ice skaters. Whoop! The moons also wobble at varying rates. Researchers blame the large moon, Charon, for this moon lunacy and weirdness. 6. Pan. This cute ravioli-shaped moon right near Saturn is Pan. Don't laugh at it. He's a fierce little buddy. The main idea of how Pan got this unusually tasty shape is that the flange of ice around its equatorial bulge was swept up and collected by the moon as it cruises through the Aniki Gap. During the last stages, the rings were very thin, and so material falling onto Pan at this time came down on its equator and built the ridge you see. 5. Europa. In the sky of the Jupiter's moon, the planet would look 25 times larger than our moon appears from Earth. Europa, however, would appear as a completely featureless white disk. The sunlight illuminates Jupiter in a reddish ring as it passes through the layers of the gas giant's atmosphere. 4. Triton. It may have been captured from the Kuiper Belt, where Pluto orbits. One of 13 moons of Neptune is considered to be the coldest place in the whole solar system. Its surface temperature is around negative 391 degrees Fahrenheit. Brrr. Just try to imagine the following fact. The lowest temperature when atoms stop moving is 1 Kelvin or negative 460 degrees Fahrenheit. The planet has a lot of ice volcanoes or cryovolcanoes that spit ice and ammonia into space. As you battle a blizzard on a snowy day, just be happy you don't live on Triton. Over on Titan, there are icy methane rainstorms. Fortunately, the rainfall only occurs about every 1,000 years. When the season is right, the rain falls, filling vast but shallow basins bigger than the Great Lakes. 3. Pizza Moon. Yeah, that's what they call Io out there. Just look at it. It looks like my favorite pizza, with fat-free crust and extra cheese. This is all thanks to the fiery volcanoes spewing on its surface. Jupiter's moon Io is subjected to tremendous gravitational forces that cause its surface to bulge up. Jupiter's moon Io is the most volcanically active world in the solar system, with hundreds of volcanoes, some erupting lava fountains dozens of miles high. No need to go there to know that it smells like rotten eggs on Io. Ew. It's spewing about 100 times more lava than all of Earth's volcanoes combined. 2. Planetary Mega Donut. You heard that right, Mega Donut. Donuts. Synestias are massive, spinning donut-shaped masses of hot, vaporized rock formed as planet-sized objects smash into each other. The researchers found that this type of collision over a range of high temperatures and high angular momenta between planet-sized bodies could form a new, much larger structure. An indented disc like a red blood cell or a donut with the center filled in called a synestia. In a spinning solid sphere, every point from the core to the surface is rotating at the same rate. Just imagine a donut-shaped ring of debris full of molten rock that forms in the aftermath of a protoplanet collision. I wonder how it tastes when you dunk it in coffee. 1. Pandora. A potato-shaped moon is coated in a fine icy crystal. Even the craters on Pandora are coated in debris. Curious grooves and ridges also appeared across the surface of the small moon. Pandora is interesting because it tends to disrupt the F-ring, while Prometheus helps it keep the primary ring in place. Little rebel of a moon. Oh boy, I feel really hungry. Pizza, ravioli, potato. By the way, thank you for all the times you hit the like button and left comments. We really appreciate it. Subscribe to Smart Banana and never miss a new video from us. Ba 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 together. I spent too long on that one, don't I always? Yeah.